I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, I have the Poulan all cleaned up and the cord put on. It's a good time to assemble this thing. I got some other parts to put on it, and I've got them all in-house now. Let's get to it. First thing I have to do is make sure that this is in place and in the right position. And then set that on there. Put the screws in. Start them all. Once I get them all started running them down, make sure they're nice and snug. Not enough to strip out the thread, but enough so it's not going to vibrate out in the woods. Now that I've got that on, I want to straighten this piece, just like I did on the McCullough. There we go. Now the muffler. Take out our little field expedient plug. We'll open our package from e-replacement parts. And it comes with all the attachments. Isn't that nice? Got the screws in it. That takes the big one. All I have to do is flip that up there. There's a slight difference here. Why is that? Screw spacing is the same. But it looks like this little tab here got bent in shipping. Got flattened out. Because when I bring it back around to the same shape as the original, everything fits up. Not likely to strip them out with just a screwdriver, but I'm being careful. This is where it was rattling around because the other muffler is broken. And it was bouncing all over the front of the thing because the shroud was broken off. Okay. I'll let it tighten down and put the plate back on, which only appears to just cover the screw holes. Nope, 3/8. 3/8 fits just fine. Drawn up nice and snug. There we go. The muffler on. Now I can put on the bar and the new chain brake. Now, that adjusts everything. Well, that's definitely tight. Okay, that should do it. Lift up on the bar. Okay, that's where it's supposed to be. Switch is off. Chain moves. Well, I've got the Poulan all put back together again. I'm not going to start it down here in the basement, just like I didn't start the Mac in the basement. But it's ready to run. New chain brake on it. New pull rope. Everything's ready to go. Chain sharp. I think I'm done with the chainsaws for a while. At least I hope I am. Now I got to get out the, I think they call it a logasaw. I've forgotten. It's been so long. I bought it like 3 years ago. But now I have a big chainsaw. I got the Mac that I can bring out and run it with. I don't want to run it with this little Poulan. The Poulan is a really nice chainsaw. It's very light, easy to use. The 20-inch bar is just fine. I mean, it works really good. I've never had any problem with it being underpowered with the 20-inch bar. So, very happy with this, and I don't want to wear it out trying to cut up logs. If I wear out the Mac, oh well, it came to me very little money. So, if you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop it out in the comments. You know I read them all. And it's going to be a while before I get into doing the log cut up. I've got a bunch of other things to take care of. I've got a lawnmower to finish putting together, and then we're going to start with the mowing season here in another 2 weeks. So I've got to really get everything around and ready to go. But got this done. I'm happy to have that taken care of. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.